Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download font files from Typekit Alternatives easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download font files from Typekit Alternatives, start by identifying the font you want to use. Search for popular Typekit alternatives like Google Fonts, Font Squirrel, or Adobe Fonts. Once you have selected the alternative, navigate to its website. In the search bar, type the name of the font you are interested in. Browse through the results to find the specific font. Click on the font to view its details. On the Fonts page, look for the Download option. For Google Fonts, click the Download Family button. If you're using Font Squirrel, click on the Download button located on the right side. Make sure to check the licensing information before downloading. This ensures that you are aware of how you can legally use the font. After you click the Download button, the font file will be saved to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Typically, the file will be in a zip format. Extract the zip file to access the font files inside. You may find font files in formats like .ttf or .off. Install the font by double-clicking the font file. A preview window will open. Click on the Install Font button. The font is now added to your system's font library. You can now access the font and design software like Adobe Illustrator or Microsoft Word. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded a font from a Typekit alternative. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.